Stop, everybody. I have collected everything you need to know right now. Don't go anywhere. XRP holders, can you believe this guy? XRP to $24. I see it. That'll be well past $1 trillion in market cap. We just passed Ethereum by fully diluted market cap. I'll go ahead and tell you that because the XRP community is talking about it. And we know in due time, it's going to be number two, the largest XRP, right behind Bitcoin. But take a look at this guy because we watched a video from Da Vinci before speaking about XRP, not the best way possible. He's a Bitcoin maxi, but sell your XRP and buy Bitcoin is better for you. Oh, wait a second. Push the brakes because that doesn't fit with our community. Take a look at the comments and you already can guess what that means. I want to touch base on this, guys, but also there's some pretty good news. Number one, Haskell Capital and Ripple, more partnerships. The White House, as we talked yesterday, guys, if he finds a way to remove Jerome Powell, it's going to change the market. It's going to change people's perception of how things are done here in the United States. Could be good, could be bad. It's a balance. I want to touch base on that. You have your opinion. Let me know in the comments down below because this is huge if he actually managed to pull it off. Remember, Donald Trump was the one who appointed Jerome Powell in his first term. So, oh boy. Then we have Coinbase. This hits home because I hope that they're not getting any idea to revive what was left off for the Ripple case. Check this out. They have notified Coinbase of the intent to continue the SEC previous efforts. And Paul, the chief legal officer at Coinbase, are like, this is a misguided lawsuit, embarrassing waste of Oregon taxpayer dollars. Can you believe it, guys? We also have this XRP supply squeeze. Why? Well, because of the ETFs. We'll touch base on this, guys, and also tell you about BTCC. You can sign up, get some pretty good XRP positions. First link down below. Let's get started, guys. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notification bells. Welcome. We'll always tell you what it is, what's happening, and I just want to make sure that you guys are informed. Thank you for choosing us once again. Now, $24, $20, $10 XRP, even $5. Those are all possible scenarios. You're not getting out of hand with any of them. Right? Bitcoiners know that, but what are they saying? Why are they not supporting digital assets? Because they want to protect their own Bitcoin. Let me play this for you, and I'll let you make the call.
XRP, will it go to that $24 that I once talked about? Possibly. I'm not saying that it would, but there's a good chance. Why? Because, there is a lot of people in the US government that are pushing XRP. And so we could see, possibly, XRP do something crazy. Now, do I suggest you invest in XRP? No, because it is a banker coin. Do you want to continue to support the banking system that gets free money on your behalf or steals from you whenever they screw up? No. So why buy XRP? Sell your XRP, buy Bitcoin. In the long run, it'll do better anyways.
When you're trying to get engagement, when you're trying to get views, you're going to have a lot of people come out at you with this. I've held, and I hold it too, Bitcoin and XRP. There's nothing wrong with that. But saying just sell your XRP or sell your Ethereum or sell your Solana or sell your stables and buy Bitcoin, do you, right? Nobody can judge what you do with your money. But after spending my quality time and years understanding crypto and XRP, guys, all I can say is, oh no, I'm selling my fiat, I'm buying more XRP. That's what I'm doing. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I'm not selling my XRP to buy vice versa. I'm selling my dollars that are losing value every single day to get crypto. That's what I'm doing, right? So if that's something that you do, well, then we share these similarities. Now, obviously, I don't support this selling your XRP. And well, obviously, people are saying it worst financial advice. And so you're saying buy high, sell low. And well, you can only imagine, right? Why does this retard keep showing up in my feed? So, guys, in the comments, what do you think? $24 good? In the past, he said that. In the past, he said, many higher predictions, but the XRP community knows that this is a long term, and I've seen this and I've heard this from many of you. Not to worry. If we go to 3, 2, 4, people will sell at 4. People will sell at 5. People will sell at 10. Not a bad idea. I mean, do you, right? Take profits. But price predictions don't care about your emotions, right? And they will continue as long as the community and the industry moves forward. So we'll see. Now, Justin Hashkey Capital announces launch of Asia's first XRP tracker fund with Ripple as an early investor. Just comes to show that if you want to let Ripple, a company with a CEO, with a board, with money, billions, and holding a bunch of XRP, make the best decisions about our coin, this coin, XRP, then this could be a good place for you. Look, when I buy into a project that I know there's a CEO, a board, a team, utility, transparency, I feel much better than just buying a coin that is decentralized and community owned. Feel much better because we are all bad people. We all have our sins. We all have shade that nobody knows. If you let that, if you open the door to people who you don't know, do harm to the holders, because it has happened so many times, when could we get any justice? It always happens, guys. People run, rock pull, take away our money, scam. I've seen it in years that I've been in crypto. But when you have a company that, if they do that, they go to jail, like FTX, like Luna, then I feel much better because FTX people recovered some of their money. You remember that? Took them years, but FTX people, the victims, recovered their money, some of them. So I feel much better buying into Ripple, buying with into XRP, Cardano, and so, because I know that if something could happen, we go to Charles Hoskinson for answers. We go to Brad Garlinghouse for answers. Where are you gonna go? I'm not saying it will. I hope it never happens with Bitcoin. But who are you gonna go if something happens with Bitcoin? The miners? So, FYI, that's just my 2 cents. Fam, I want to take some time in this video to remind you about BTCC. The first link down below, guys. All you have to do is click, and you're gonna see this link right here. When you see this link, guys, the only thing you have to do is sign up if you haven't already, and with my link and deposit, start earning some bonuses, trade it, and prepare for the incoming rallies, lapses, volatility, and speculation, right? You can make money with anything, with bull news, bullish news, with bearish news. You can make money very, very quickly. On my Discord, my Patreon link down below, I have a specific channel called Academy, the Trading Academy, when I'm posting videos about trading. If you don't know, if you're starting from scratch, I have some resources that can help you. So give it a try. Check it out if you want. But yeah, this is what I do. Get some up to 500x leverage, no VPN, no KYC, and lower trading fees. All right. So shout out to them. Shout out to BTCC. If you are already a member, trading, thanks so much. Now, guys, we know the ETFs are coming, which I'm very, very bullish. Paul Atkins is still not the chair, so it's coming soon. But right here, Attorney General Dan Rayfield reportedly notified Coinbase of his intent to continue the SEC previous efforts. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. And people are already freaking out. This happened today, 2 hours ago. Look at this. Look at this. So, goes without saying that Coinbase and OpenSea, Robinhood, Ripple, and more, they have to watch out, because if the SEC gets into the wrong hands, right, nasty things like this can happen. So check it out, fam. Prices are moving, consolidating, and we're buying the dip. Last but not least, you already know. This coming week is going to be pretty crucial for Jerome Powell because in May we have our next FOMC and Donald Trump doesn't like to wait much. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. You've been updated. XRP to 20 to 10. Yeah, I'll be here for that. Peace.